Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Prima Donna exclusive. Now the first thing that you're watching right now is that this display is flickering. That's not exactly what's happening right now. It's the camera's shutter speed that is interfering with the same speed of the display. So it looks a little bit weird, but over here it doesn't. Everything is solid. Just gonna be a little flashing on the camera. It's just to explain that. But alright. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Prima Donna exclusive espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace the pump. This water pump that you see right here is the water pump that the machine had. It was no longer functioning and pushing water to the whole system like it used to, so we had to replace that. After we replaced that, we also had to replace the brew unit, this one that you see right here. We also deep cleaned the entire spouts, make sure that there was not any coffee buildup. We replaced the O-ring of the generator, the one is inside here. And we also lubricated the transmission, give it a good descale cycling and a clean cycle of the machine. So yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one tiny short coffee. We're going to be testing out this machine, then we're going to be using the hot water. We will not be able to use any of the cafe latte, cappuccino, latte macchiato, milk functions of this machine since we do not have this machine specific character. As you see, nice steady stream coming out through the spouts, excellent flow, and really good crema on top of that shot. 1.5 ounces, that is perfect. Good shot of espresso. Nice quantity. Now we're going to be testing the hot water, and as you can see, it is a nice steady stream coming out through the one. Excellent flow, excellent temperature as well. So there you have it, the Delonghi Prima Donna exclusive working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.